I love working with all sorts of different technology and circuits and code. The company I worked for had contracted with an investment firm to move them off of one cloud platform and onto another cloud platform. A lot of the responsibility for technology working correctly was on my shoulders, and it was not going well. It was the go-live weekend, and so Sunday morning, I got up and it was still having issues. It was probably the most stress I've ever been under. Monday morning, put my running gear on, tied my shoes, and at the very end of my run, things started getting a little foggy because I was still pushing, and then nothing.
He had had a sudden cardiac arrest, and it was traumatic. It was, so unexpected and so serious. Are we gonna just live our lives worried about this now? Are we not gonna be able to go camping? Are we gonna just be laying in bed at night thinking, what if it happens again?
So this is the device that was implanted, the EMBLEM. I had this in my body for 7 years, and just last year had it replaced.
The implanted defibrillator, it just shocks your heart, which gives it a chance to regain its normal rhythm. So it was a big relief to me to just know that we had that option. The Boston Scientific one was a really, really great option because it's less invasive, especially since he did have to get it so young and have to be replaced several times throughout his life.
This device is doing its job, and that allows me and gives me the freedom to live my life. Gives me so much peace of mind that I don't have to think about my heart having an issue anymore. It's hard to express. It's just, I'm very, very, very grateful and thankful that I have this. The technology behind this is just fascinating to me. I want to learn more about it.
So excited to have you.
Welcome to Boston.
Thank you. Yeah, we have some cool stuff to show you.
There's so many people that go into making devices. I'm really excited to go there and see the battery and the electronics. This one's mine.
Yep.
And so these are all stashed together?
Correct. So your device has the most layers out of any battery that we make.
Before 1993, they had to basically get through the bones and put the device underneath the bones.
Well, the lead of it.
The lead, at least. Oh my gosh, that is crazy.
There were patches that you actually were sewn.
Oh, right there, look at that, right in the heart.
That is the cathode, and then this is the anode. And now it's going to weld, so you'll see a bunch of little spots.
That's laser?
Yep, it's a laser weld.
Oh, that's so cool.
You can kind of see through there.
It's a lot easier than my soldering iron at home.
Yeah.
Hi.
This is David.
Hi, David.
Chris.
Awesome.
You get a hand in building your actual device.
Well, thank you very much. This is the original device right here.
It gets me, because my dad had the same issue. Like, he was doing for his surgery, he didn't make it, and he passed away. And knowing that we work in this kind of environment where we can help somebody else to improve their life, especially now that I see him and I see him coming in with his family, and that family, it's together because, in a way, we help them out.
My dad also kind of have heart problems. We miss our dad. My brother and my sister will miss our dad. And just the fact that taking the right decisions or making the wrong decisions can change a lot of, the outcome. But I'm glad you guys made the right decision. So
I didn't want to let the event be something that conquered me. I wanted to grow beyond it. I've got this device, and that will allow me to do that.
I'm just really thankful that such a device exists, and just the peace of mind that it offers us is wonderful.
I just can't imagine what it'd be like to not have a device like this. It's my backup. If your heart ever decides to go freak out again, I'm there to pick you up, and I get to be a little bit like Iron Man. That's awesome,